Ever wondered how to make those awesome YouTube shorts that pop up on your feed? Well, what if I told you you could create them super easily with Canva? No pro skills required. In just a few clicks, you can turn your ideas into a cartoon videos, all from your phone or computer. Let me show you how to do it. So, hello everyone. I hope everything's doing well. Firstly, and in today's video, I will show you the step by step how to make a YouTube Shorts with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, firstly you have to sign up and you have to add your information such as email address and your password, then you get started. But first let's know what is Canva and how you can design with Canva and various things. So first let's just know what is the definition of Canva and what is this platform which is Canva. So Canva is a super easy design tool that lets you create all sorts of content like graphics, videos, and presentations without needing any fancy design skills. For YouTube Shorts, Canva has pre-made templates and features that help you create a catchy and professional looking videos in minutes right from your phone or computer. It's like having a personal design studio at your fingertips. So the first step that you have to do is just get back to the top and you'll find here two buttons with one of sign up and other one for login. I don't have it because I already have an account, that's why I'll just show you how you can get started. You have to click over sign up and you link your personal information such as email address and your password. Then you'll find other page which is this one. So right now all I have to do is just click over searching content and you search for short videos videos YouTube. Then you will find this template as you can see. So here we have it. If we scroll down, we'll find here for this template. You can just select the one you think it's better or the one you like, and you get started. We have here 20,000 templates as you can see. So we have just to select the one you think it's better. So right now I will just simplify the steps and I will just click over all filters and I will select the category. For example, if is it related to the social media, education, video, I will select firstly video and I will select here YouTube videos. Then I will just scroll down and I will search for other categories. For example, if it's dependent or related to marketing, paint product, so here we have paint product as well, cards and invitations. Then we have format here, style, then we have language, theme, and we have also here feature, grade, subject, topic, and also we have the price. I will select the free one and I will select here the white one because I like the color white, and I will click over apply and I will find the templates that I select are related to the category that I select. For example, here we have the template. We have here 1304 templates as you can see. So let's just searching for the templates better. So let's just selecting for example this one. Then I will click over customize this template and you'll find other page which is this one as you can see. Alright, so where we have how it looks, you can just click over here to set. Here we have the short videos, how it looks. We have a welcome and hope you like their video, and I will just right now to add here my short videos. I don't like this one. I will just firstly go to this design and I will select add template that I like, and also we have the option of elements. I will just go to the search elements and I will select here YouTube Shorts. You have video short YouTubes and I will just go to the videos and I will select here the one I think it's better, right? As you can see, right? So here we have it, and right now also we have here other options. For example, if you want to just upload, you have just to go to the videos and you have to upload files from your computer and you get started. All right, so right now I will show you how you can design these short videos. I will just go to the elements and I will add firstly here the logo of YouTube because I will add my channel. I will just search for YouTube logos. Here we have it. So, and I will just click over graphics, then I will select the YouTube logo. I will select this one for example and I will just put it small and I will put it here as you can see. I will just modify also the size, and I'll put it like that. Then I will just go to the text and I will add here, for example, add a little bit of body text here, as you can see. I will put it here, as you can see, and I will just modify the size. For example, I will put here 24 is better, and I will just put it here, as you can see. And here we have it. Right now I will just here write something. I will just modify it. For firstly the color, I will select the black one. I think it's better, and I will just right now add some things. For example, here I will add my channel, which is, for example, here example I will just write Mr. Beast. And here we have it, as you can see. I will just here put it bold. Okay, this one, and I will just make it bold. And here we have it. Right now I will just add other things. For example, if you want to add a brand, if you want to upload something, if you want to also draw, I'm just to click over draw and just select also the color that you want. And also we have here eraser. In the top you have here, if you want to come back, you have in redo, and also we have here endo. If you did a mistake, you have just to click over here and you come back to the first look of the template. And also we have here the option of projects or applications, QR code as well, as you can see. Then we have also here how it looks. As you can see, you can just click over here and you see your short video YouTubes, and here we have it, how it looks. Also, for example, if you want to add something like, for example, if you want to add your record, you have just to click over here uploads and you click over record yourself, and then you have to record yourself by clicking over here, and we have here 3 2 1 and you start recording, and here we have it, as you can see. Also, if you want to just here the option of camera, and also you click over done. Once you're done, you have here if you want to save and exit. Also you have here if you want to exit and you click over exit without saving, and then here we have it, how it looks. Also we have here various options, like if you want to zoom in, if you want to zoom out, and we have here if you want to do scroll view, do grid view, or the preview view. And also if you want to add your page, if you want to duplicate this page, and also you can just right now click over share in the top right. So once you click over share, you have to find a various options to share. You can just click over see all and you have to see all these options. You can just select the one you want and you start sharing your videos. Also we have if you want to download, or you can just copy the link and you share it. Also if you want to make it public view link, you have just to click over here and you'll find your template on your browser. After searching for it, you have just to copy that link and you paste it on your browser, and then you have to click over public view link and you'll find it. So let's just give it a try. I will just click over public view link and I will click over create public view link, and I will just go here and I will click over this plus, and you will just here paste whatever I copy. Then you will find your design, as you can see, and here we have it. All right, and then you click over here and you start watching it. So here we have it, as you can see, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.